Hey, here's how to make a thread on Bluesky. Let's first start with mobile. So I'm on my iPhone here. I'm going to hit the button on the bottom right to create a post, and I'm going to write the post, and then you see the plus button in the middle on the top of the keyboard. You can add another post just like that, and then you can just keep hitting plus and keep adding all these posts, which are each 300 characters each. So you can add some media there, make it all happen, and then you can post it when you're ready to go. But now, let me show you something here. If you want to schedule it, you can also schedule it on Fedica for free. If you don't want to post it right now, you can do the same thing. You just type in your stuff. Okay, you hit the thread button there in the app, and then you can keep posting just like that. Okay, now what's cool with Fedica is you can spread your posts over time, but I'm going to show you a little bit more about that here. And the next thing you can see is you got different platforms, so you can cross post to different platforms, but also edit them. So if I hit the customize post, I can edit each. So this is for hashtag Mastodon, just like that. Okay, and then you can edit each post. So let's hop right back into desktop mode. Same thing with Fedica. You got your stuff, you can post it just like that. And then you hit the thread icon and you got kind of a focus view, which is really nice if you want to really get in the zone there. And then of course you still have everything that we just did on mobile available here, but let me show you something else. So we saved a draft, and if you want, you can save these as drafts if you want to come back to them later. So here we are. Let's make a copy of this, and then let's edit this post. So I had already pre-planned this post, and then now I'm just going to maybe add, a hashtag like hashtag winning, okay? And then we can add some media if we want. We can spread the posts. We can number them automatically, just so you don't have to write that yourself. And then now let's just schedule it. So with Fedica, you got some pipelines. You can target different type of stuff. You can even spread over 30 days. I have a pipeline that kind of outlines the schedule. So you get like full control when you want to schedule your stuff. So let's pick a specific date. I'm not going to put it in a pipeline that has a specific schedule, and I'm just going to pick like for Saturday. Let's do this, and then we're optimizing this for the Americas, and then we'll add this to the calendar. Cool. So just like that, let's hop on over to the calendar, and then on Saturday we have our post right here. There we go. It's the thread. It's going to schedule when we want it, and just like that, it's easy as pie. You can edit it up here, you can delete it, and there you go. So full control. Customize your posts. Each of these posts are going to go onto their respective platform like native posts. So it's not like a post and a link that you see sometimes with bridging type Fediverse technologies. This one goes to each platform like it's an original post. So no matter where your audience is, they're getting the real deal from you. And I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know.